apple. Apple. B, bug. Bug. C, cat. Cat.
We have learned that H makes the H sound, as in hat. A makes the A sound, as in apple. And D makes the D sound, as in dog. If we put them all together, we say H, A, D. H, A, D. H, ad. Had. Now, let's try reading some more simple words.
A, an, as, at, B.
Some words are short, some words are long. Put the sounds together and read along. You can sound out words in this song. Keep practicing and you can't go wrong. At, brat, clap, crab, flag.